Billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. So inshallah we will continue our learning of the properties of Islam. So everybody mute yourself please and unmute yourself if I ask you to speak or you want to speak. Maybe for example you want to ask a question or answer a question, you know. Otherwise keep yourself muted inshallah. That will help. Okay. So properties. How many properties of Islam we have? How many? Abdul Haq, how many properties we have?
4.
What are they?
Status, gender, number, type.
Very good. Abdullah Barar,
Yes.
how many properties of Islam we have?
3.
Oh no. No. Abdul Haq, say it again.
4.
4 properties. Okay. And what are
4.
those 4 properties, Abdul Haq? Again?
Status, gender, number, type.
Okay, Abdullah, can you say that now?
I couldn't hear properly.
Okay, so there are 4 properties of Islam. Okay, Abdullah.
Yes.
And they are status, gender, number, and type. You can see them now on your screen. Status, gender, number, and type. Will you memorize that now?
Yes.
Don't forget this again, ever. Never forget this now. Okay? Okay.
Yes.
Arab. How many types of Arab we have, Anusha? I mean status. How many type of status we have?
We have 3.
What are they?
One of them are singular, plural, and dual.
No, I'm talking about status, the first property of Islam. Well, there are 3 types of status. What are they?
Oh, wait. Jar, nasab, and rafa.
Start from Rafa. Start from Rafa. Rafa,
Rafa.
Nasab, and
Jar.
Rafa, Nasab, and Jar. Okay. All right. Thank you, Anusha. Arham, with respect to gender, I have a question for you.
Ji, uncle.
How many types of gender we have in Arabic?
We have 2 types of gender. We have masculine and we have feminine.
So how we determine that if a word is masculine or feminine?
Oh, a noun or a word in the Arabic language is considered masculine unless there is a reason to call it feminine.
So then we look for reasons for femininity?
Yes, like linguistic reasons, body parts, names of places, and ta marbuta at the end.
If you don't find any of those, then what you do?
If you don't find any of those, then the word is considered masculine.
Very good. Perfect. Thank you, Arham.
Jazakallah.
All right. Then we did the third property of Islam, number. Number means what? What does it really mean? So I go to, inshallah, Imad. Imad, what does the third property mean? What we are doing here?
Number.
Number, like what? How many different types of number we got?
Duals, singles,
And
plural.
singular, dual, and plural. When I say plural, how many I mean?
More than 2.
More than 2. All right. So singular, plural, and dual. That's what we were doing last class. Singular is singular, not much to learn there. And then we learned about dual. Like how we make dual and how we make plural. We have done this when we were learning the Muslim charts. So what is the identification of duals? How you identify a dual? Hafta. How would you know that this word is dual? Fatima? Okay, Fatima, can you answer this question? How you identify dual?
It ends with a noon and a dhamma. A kasra.
It ends with a kasra, but what is the ending sound for duals?
Ni.
Ani. Say it ani, huh?
Ani.
Like, yeah, like musli, mani. Musli,
Man.
maini. Ani or aini sound, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, ani or aini sound gives you the indication that it is dual. All right. Okay. So then we learned about like how we make duals, like for Muslimun, Muslimani, Kafirun, Ani. You just add the Ani sound at the end, and you can make duals from singulars, right? For example, Brother Rashid, from Kalimatun, can you make dual? No. Brother Khurram Ikram, Kalimatun, can you make it dual?
Assalamu alaikum. Kalimatani.
About Kitabun.
Kita kitabani.
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 Kitabani or Kitabaini, both will be okay. How about masjid? Two masjids.
Masajidun dani.
No, that will be plural. That will be plural. I'm looking for two masjid.
Masjidain.
Masjidani.
Masjidani.
Yeah, masjidani. How about ajr?
Ajrani.
Ajrani. Yeah,
Ajrani.
ajrani. How about jannatun?
Jannatani.
Jannatani. So just add ani at the end for rafa, right? Okay, hafta.
Yes.
Yadun means one hand. What is the word for two hands?
Yaduni.
That will no. Add the ani sound. Ani.
Yaduni.
No. Replace the dhamma, this dhamma with a fatha, and then add ani sound. That's the rule.
Yadaini.
Yadani. Huh?
Yadani.
Yadani or yadaini. Yadani. Yadani for rafa. Okay, now Sheen. Imra'atun means one woman. Make the word for two women.
Imra'atani.
Imra'atani. Very good. So you replace these two dhammatain, tanween, with the fatha and add the word ani at the end. Imra'atani. Yeah, that's good. Thank you, Noshin. So do we have Aiza with us? All right. Okay. So we go to Zainab. Zainab Vora.
That's the question. It shouldn't be Imra'atani or Imra'atani.
Imra'atani.
Imra.
What's the question again?
But the question was for the last one, Imra'atani, right?
Question, brother. Can you repeat your question?
So the question was the dual for Imra'at, the second one in the line. So is it Imra'atani?
Yeah, it is Imra'atani. Yeah.
Imra'atani.
Imra'atani. Yeah. Yeah, it is Imra'atani. Okay, Zainab, your word is Rajulun. Rajulun means one man. What is the word for two men? Two men.
Rajulani.
Rajulani. How about Sakilatun?
Sakilatani.
Sakilatani. Very good. Thank you, Zainab. Tanjeen. Tanjeen.
Assalamualaikum.
Your word is Qalamun. Qalamun means one pen. How
One
we
pen.
can say two pen?
Qalamani. Oh,
Qalamani.
qalamatani.
Why are you saying kalamatani? Why?
Because it's feminine.
Do you see like sakilatun had a ta sound at the end, right? And you made it sakilatani. Imratun has a ta sound at the end, and you make it imratani. Kalamun, does it have a ta sound at the end?
It says qalamatun.
Is it kamal kalamatun? It's written
No,
here.
qalamun. Oh, qalamani.
Qalamun.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Kalamani, yeah, not kalamatani. That will be wrong, huh? Tanjin, you got it or no?
Qalam. Yeah, so qalamani. And
Kalamani.
then the plural will be qalamuna.
We will talk about that later, huh?
Yeah.
What the plural will be. We
Oh,
are
wait.
talking about dual only.
The other dual is qalamaini.
Yeah, kalamaini is the other dual. You are right. That's right. Okay. Then what we did, we're still revising. We haven't done anything new yet. Okay.
So it's improper nouns.
We talked about now, like some English words and their
Plurals.
plurals, right? Regular plurals. Okay.
Then
Just
there's
add s
irregular
and
plurals.
yeah. Okay. Can you mute yourself now, Tanjin? Okay, thank you. So we were doing regular plurals, just adding s or es, and you make a plural, like boy, boys, girl, girls, teacher, teachers, mother, mothers, mango, mangoes, can, like a can of soda, cans, monkey, monkeys. You just add s or es, and you have a plural ready for you. And then we learned about some other words which do not follow a pattern, like adding s or es. So what is the plural of goose? Zainab? Plural of goose.
Uncle, is it geese?
Okay, thank you, Arham. Anusha. Anusha,
Yes. Yes.
what's the plural of foot?
Feet.
Mouse.
Mice.
Fish.
Fish.
Hare.
Hare.
Man.
Men.
Moose.
Moose.
Yeah. So do they follow any pattern?
No.
No. So there are words who follow a pattern, and there are those are called regular plurals, and there are words which do not follow a pattern, and they're called irregular plurals. Okay, thank you, Nusha. Okay, is there a question? No. Okay. So then we moved to the Arabic side. Do we have something like in Arabic also or not? Like Muslimun, the plural is Muslimuna. Nasiran, the plural is Nasirina. Kafiran, the plural is Kafirina. Similarly, Muslimatun is Muslimatun. Jannatun is Jannatun. Sajidatan is Sajidatin. And Abidatin is Abidatin. So the pattern is Una, Ina, and the third word is Ina. So Una or Ina, or Atun, like Muslimatun, or Atin, Muslimatin. So there are four patterns here. Una, ending sound. Ina, ending sound. Atun, ending sound. Or Atin, ending sound. Una, Ina, Atun, Atin. These are the ending sounds. But for other plurals, like Malakun means angel, the plural is Malaikatun. Masjidun, Masajidun, Masajidu. Qalbun, Qulubun. Fajirun, Fajaratun. Rakiun, Rukkaun. Nabiyun, Ambiya'u. Ainun, Ayunun. So similar to the, this irregular plurals in English, we have plurals which do not follow any pattern, and we have plurals which follow a pattern. So the plurals which follow a pattern like una, ina, atun and atin ending sound, we will call them similarly regular plurals. But we had another name for them. Anybody remembers what their name was?
Broken plurals.
No. Irregular. The other one.
Sound plural.
Sound
Sound
plurals.
plurals. Yeah, thank you, Umar. Sound plurals. And then the plurals which do not follow a pattern, which are irregular plurals, we had a name for them. What was that?
Broken plural.
Broken plurals.
Broken plurals. Right. So sound plurals which follow a pattern. And what is the pattern? Una, ina, atun, and atin. And there are irregular plurals, we call them broken plurals, which do not follow that pattern. So they don't have una, ina, atun, or atin as ending sound. They have different ending sounds than that. So that's what we said, like we already know the plural in the Muslim chart, masculine and feminine. And you see una, ina here. And you see atun and atin here. And both of these columns have words which are plural, and we call them sound plural because their ending sound is una, ina, atun, and atin. And other words who do not end with this ending sound, they are called broken plural. We still haven't done anything new today. This is all from last class. I hope everybody now remembers two terms. Sound plural, which follows the pattern of una and ina, atun or atin, and there are broken plurals who do not follow that pattern. All right. Now I'm going to tell you something new. Okay. And the new thing is an interesting fact. Interesting fact. Actually, it's a very interesting fact about the broken plurals. It may be unique to Arabic. I don't know if this also exists in other languages. So pay attention. This is very important to know. And the fact is that the broken plurals are generally treated as singular feminine in the Arabic language. You may find it strange, but this is true. Like if there is a broken plural in Arabic language, it is used in a sentence as if it was actually a singular and feminine word. Okay. I mean, a broken plural is a plural. It is not singular, but the way it is used in Arabic language in a sentence is as if it was a singular word and it was feminine. This is how it is used. So broken plurals are generally treated as singular feminine. Okay, remember this. This you will see this in Quran everywhere. So remember this. I can explain that with a small example. Like for example, in English we say, I bought some pens yesterday. They were beautiful. I just made up this sentence. This is a good sentence. There is nothing wrong with it. I bought some pens yesterday. They were beautiful. The word pen is used here. Pens yesterday. So the Arabic for pen is qalamun, singular, qalamun. And its plural is aqlamun. Aqlamun means pens. Can somebody tell me, is this plural a sound plural or it is a broken plural?
Broken.
The broken plural. Why it is a broken plural?
Because it's treated like a singular feminine.
I'm asking, we already established, okay, Fatima has raised her hand. Fatima, why aqlamun is a broken plural?
Because it ends in the pattern atan, an atin, and
Una.
una and ina.
Yeah, so it is not ending with those patterns. So Daniel, can you also explain why this aklamun is a broken plural?
Because it does not follow a pattern, which is it should be like atin, atun, or una, ina, but does not follow one. But it neither follows any of those patterns.
Yeah. So it is aklamun. It is not aklamuna or aklamina or aklamatun or aklamatin. It is none of those, right? So it is not following the regular pattern. That is why it is a broken plural. Everybody agree? It is a broken plural? Okay. So if a Arab says the same sentence, like an Arabic speaking person, like in English, he will say, like a English speaking person will say, I bought some pens yesterday, they were beautiful. But if an Arab says the same sentence, what it will look like? An Arabic speaking person will say, I bought some aqlam yesterday. Okay, I bought some aqlam yesterday. He won't say they were beautiful. He will say she was beautiful. He will treat aqlam as a singular feminine word. Okay, an Arabic speaking person. He will say, I bought some aqlam yesterday. Instead of saying they were beautiful, she was beautiful. And this is normal for Arabic language. This is normal. This is nothing weird about it. This is how the Arabic language is. Because aqlam is a broken plural, that is why the Arabic speaking people treat it as if it was a singular feminine gender word. Okay. And in Quran, you see kulubun is used. Kulubukum. Summa qasat kulubukum min ba'di dhalika fahiya kal hijara. So in Quran, in this ayah, kulub is used. So what is kulub? Sound plural or broken plural? Anyone? Kulub. Broken plural. So the translation is, then your hearts became hard from after that. So she was like rocks. Instead of saying they were like rocks, Allah is saying she was like rocks. Allah is treating kulub, hearts, as singular feminine in Quran, because this is how the Arabic language is. Okay, so I will stop here and we go to the breakout rooms. What we're gonna do in breakout rooms, we're gonna identify broken plurals and sound plurals.